Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create automatic currency symbols in Google Sheets. So if you want to write the data in currency or in certain currency, you can do that in Google Sheets. But if you want to do it automatically, I suggest you to change the format of the cell first and then type in your data. So I'm going to show you like this. So I'm going to write the currency in the C columns right here. So I'm going to block the C column, the whole C columns until the bottom, and then I'm going to click on format and go to number, and here I'm going to click on the custom currency. So here you can just choose any of the currency symbols that you want, maybe from your own country. So in this case I'm using Indonesian rupiah. So I'm going to click on Indonesian and it will show up. I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to click on apply, and after that you can just start typing the number, for example, and when you click enter it will be changed into Indonesian rupiah. Any number like this, and just click on the numbers and it will be changed into rupiah. But if you already write the number and you want to change its format into currency, you can just do the same method. Just block the whole cells like this and then click on format, go to number, and then here choose the currency that you want. In this case I'm using Indonesian rupiah. Like that, the format will automatically change like this. So either way, you can just choose this, the first or the second methods. It works greatly. Okay, so I think that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.